How to fix iPhone network problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure that you are in an area with good network coverage, as if you are in areas like basements or elevators or remote areas, the signal can be weak. So make sure that you are in a proper network coverage area. Next fix for this issue is you can try to enable airplane mode for the time being for like 10 to 30 seconds and then disable it again, as this will refresh your network connection. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart often fixes signal glitches. The next fix is launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on about. Here wait a few seconds, and if an update pops up, then go ahead and update your carrier settings. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Enter passcode and reset your network settings, as this is one of the most effective fixes for this issue. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go back to settings and tap on cellular and then on network selection. Here go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for automatic and then wait and then choose your carrier manually. Also, make sure that your SIM card is not the problem. So turn your iPhone off and then remove the SIM card by simply ejecting the SIM, and then clean the SIM port and the SIM card gently and then reinsert it properly and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. Go ahead and make the update if the update is required, as updates often fix network bugs. And if your issue is still not fixed, then it could be because you've dropped your phone or your phone was exposed to water, or if you have no service in that particular area, or it could also be because the SIM is not working. So for this, you will need an Apple authorized service center to help you fix your issue further. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix no network problem on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.